Hello guys, dito ako ngayon sa barko ng galing daw ano to. Galing ayoko sa bansa to ito yung may mga layag sila oh. Layag. Galing ibang bansa yata to. Ito yung layag na tiniklop na lang nila kasi malakas yung hangin kanina. Layag. Galing ata Mexico itong barko ito. Ito yung angkla nila, malaki. Kusina. Yan ang kusina nila. Yan ang eskwela. Kamo. Nagkagan pa. Galing pa ng Mexico ito. Ayun, Mexico. Ayan, ito kanto nila ito. Akyat tayo sa ibabaw. Akyat tayo. Akyat ako sa ibabaw. Ayun. Para kabaong. So, Timok. Hello guys. Papunta na tayong Mexico. Hello, ma'am. Ah?
Welcome to Bard.
Yes. Can I be join to my videos? Yeah.
Picture.
Yeah, picture. A video.
It's a video.
Or my upload it to my YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, YouTube.
Job?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a YouTube. Say hi, RTV Vlogs.
Play?
RTV Vlogs. RTV.
Active play.
RTV Vlogs.
Active plans?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Salud. I am a cadet. We are cadets and we are a student in this ship, a Mexican ship. This ship is like on a school.
This ship from Mexico, right?
This ship is from Mexico.
And how many days in the Philippines?
For 4 days.
4 days only.
We are staying in Philippines for 4 days.
4 days. After 4 days, where you go?
After to Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah.
From Philippines to Singapore, how many days or week?
For 5 days
5 days only.
only. Yeah.
By traveling, what kind of this flag and another machine is inside? Machine.
For 2 for machine for things for 2.
By doing to
Yes, for one or for other, but it's either whether it's good or bad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Gabriela.
Gabriela.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. This is my sticker.
It's a sticker.
Yeah, my sticker. Yes. Hello, sir.
Saludos desde el embajador del Caballero de los Mares mexicano.
Mexicano. Thank you, sir. So thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to work.
Mga pare ko, ako inabot ang malakas na ulan dito. Ayun yung barko ng from Mexico. Wow. Basa. Nababasa ako. Basa sa malakas na ulan.